Next, good morning, children. Next, lab activity 1. Our aim is the obtaining relation between angle of incidence and angle of refraction. Material required: pro scale, small blank painted blank, a semicircular glass disc of thickness nearly 2 centimeter pencil, and laser light and laser light. Vigilance. Take wooden plank which covered with a white chart. Draw two perpendicular lines passing through the middle of the paper as shown in figure A. Let intersect all points O. Mark line NN on line NN, which is normal to another line marked MM. Here MM represented the line drawn along the interface of two medians. NN represents the normal drawn to this line at O. Take a protractor, place it along NN in such a way the center coincides with O as shown in figure B. Then mark the angle of 0 to 9 degrees on both sides of the line NN. Now place this angle should be represented on a circular line. Now place semicircular glass disc so that its diameter coincides with the interface line MM and its center coincides with center point O. Take a laser light trace and send along the NN in such way that the laser propagated from the aid to glass through the interface at a point O, and observe the way of the laser light coming from the other side of the disc. This is no division. Send laser light along the line which makes 15 degrees with NN and see that it most passing through point O. Measure to correspond angles of refraction. Repeat the experiment with the angles of incidence 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50, 60, 70 and so on. And note down observing the angles of refraction. Children, observation. Find the sin A and sin R for every I and R. Note down the values of table. This table observe children. I, omega degree, R radius, sin I, sin R. Next sin I by sin R. Evaluated sin I by sin R for every incident angle at I, who get angle I by angle R as a constant. That is relation between angles of incidence and angles of refraction. The ratio of sin I by sin R is called refractive index. Next activity 5. Total internal refraction. Play the same previous activity model only. Place the semicircle with disc such a way that diameter coincide with the interface line MM. It is coincide with point O. Now send light from the curved side of the semicircle glass disc. The light travels from denser medium to rarer medium. Start with the angle of incidence I equal to 0 degrees and observe the reflected on the other side of the disc. It is not divided into its path when entering rare mediums. Send laser light along angles of the incident 5 degrees, 10 degrees and so on. Measure the light angle of the refraction and tabulate the result in the given table. See children. See, make a table shown below, note down values I and R. At a particular angle of incident, the refracted ray does not come out but grazes the interface separating the air and glass. This is called critical angle. When the angle of incidence greater than the critical angle, the light rays get reflected into denser medium or the interface. Light never enter rarer medium. This is phenomenon is called total internal reflection. 4. Take a metal disc, use protractor and mark angles along its edges as shown in the figure. Arrange two stars from the center of the disc. This one down one. Adjust one angle of stars to the angle of 10 degrees. Immerse half of the disc vertically into the water filled in a transparent vessels. Inside the water, the angle of stars should be at 10 degrees Celsius. From the top of the vessel, try to view of the straw which is inside the water. Then adjacent the other straws which are outside the water until both straws are a single straight lines. Then take the disc out of the water and observe two straws on it. You will find that they are not a single straight line. It could be seen from the one side view while half of this disc inside the water. Measure the angle between the normal and second straw. Draw the table from the angle and corresponding angles are refraction. Observation, you observe that R is the greater than I. R is the greater than I in all cases when the light travel from denser to rarer medium. It bend away from the normal. Take activity 6. Take a transparent glass tumble and coin. Place a coin on the table and replace glass on the coin. Observe the coin from the side of the glass. You can see them. Now fill the glass with water and observe the coin from the side of the glass tumbler. Now cannot see the coin because the coin rise up to the refraction. Activity 7. Take a cylindrical transparent wedges, place the coins or bottom of the vessel. Now pour water until you will get the images of the coin on the water surface. This coin image up with them. This is due to the internal reflection.